Wait, no, just Spotify is one that's missing. No, I'm back now. Oh, get ready for another ping. Think about it. Oh my god, it's nearly doing it again. Why? What is your problem? Why you do this? The hell? Oh, it's really excited. Discord open doing it too. Alright, stream's back though. Let me just put the music back on. Ah, where were we? Let's have a look. I really hope it saved everything. Okay, good. Yeah, so I actually had a better idea, which was local function set delta value. No, you just do it that way. And then all I have to do is set delta or 1. Actually, it should be or 0. So task.spawn, set delta, local value or 0, and we can just get rid of all of that, and it works. Much better. Let me just save the file. Roblox, camp projects, RPG series. Followage. I don't have any bots or anything like that. That's a rip. Hey, Alex. Yeah, okay. Oh, sorry, I just realized, but can I swap these thumbnail swaps? Okay, good, I can. Alright, so if I play that again... So, data... So it should be default half. See, I think I should just copy it from there. So instead of doing that, I just read it from here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Client settings. Hey, Unisoft. Control Shift here. Hello. Oh, Control Shift F. What I'm looking for is client settings. What? Oh no, yeah, that's right, yeah. Get data, player data true. Is that an... Did I make a option for that? Get data yield. Okay, good. Dot client settings. So... Or dot settings. And then... Hey, Carl. Koa. Oh, I keep seeing Carl. Koa. Jesus. Client settings. So where's this one? That's replicated core, so that should be able to go up here. Where is it? Times delta value. Replicated core. There we go. Wait for my video to export. Oh, waiting for my video to export. Nice. And let's have a look at this real quick. So the settings table should automate. So actually, I'm gonna print the settings table here. Yeah, so set setting. So I'm gonna print the active settings after that. Yeah, let me actually do a task.spawn. And then we'll print active settings after. Nice, CJ. Yeah, sorry about that. My computer went completely froze and I couldn't do anything. And nothing loaded. What? Oh, dot replicator data. Hidden areas, I swear. Get data, dot settings. That is what it is, right? Data service. Dot settings. Yeah, so why is that not printing or anything? Override or that one. Or we might need to actually change that because when the settings update, we get to update the entire table, so it might be better using that name history to find the table which we're going to show. And then, yeah, that might be better. Oh, that's requiring local modules. Well, I don't need that. You good? $26 of setting service. Parents. Oh. That's why. There we go. Look at that. That's our settings table right there. You know, we just need this to work properly now. 186. Override or replicate core dot replicated data. No, so we would want override or setting service active settings. Local modules dot settings service dot active. Yeah, and then we can do onset setting. We'll tell the server that we've updated that setting. No, I don't want that. Actually, that is correct. It should look like that. Fuck, okay. It should look like that in that, yeah. Or I could go back to there. And then I send the server that string. Can you add sound effects? What do you mean by that? Like, where do you want sound effects? Or what for? Like, for the buttons and everything? Is that what you mean? "34 settings." I think I screwed this up quite badly. Oh no, there we go, that's working. Music is one, but there is some hit sounds or drop sounds. There is music. There is music in the game. We're just trying to do the settings right now to change the music volume. Yeah, okay. I'll have a look at that. Oh, that's why it's not working. How do I want to do this? No, yeah, I'm gonna have to go back to doing that. I better keep that one there. The struggle with doing settings menus. Replayed modules, client settings. So that's min, that's max, that's step. Don't need you. I'll keep you at the end. Hey Docs, you seem familiar. Maybe? I guess? I don't know. There's back button. So on player, data update. Override or... Oh, can I? Oh, I can't. Shit. Replayed modules, client settings. I'm off track totally. Oh, actually no, I'm not that off track. I am doing an extra thing, but the weather system's already in. What are we adding right now? We're adding settings. selecting. Yeah, I do have seat selection there. That might be another thing we can do. Okay. One minus the value? Is that what I'm after? Let me go back to the music one. Oh, I should just do multiply. Multiplied. It makes so much more sense. We do need that though. Oh, where was the module? I forgot. Core, gameplay, music. I'm just gonna do multiplied by it. Yeah, that's better. That's working. Table expected got nil, 186. Settings table or I guess I need to put an extra check there. You are streaming this on YouTube too? Yes, I am. Yep. I don't know why there is on being added there, but whatever. That's really weird, actually. Oh wait, that's why. If number of V is equal to 0, then module set setting V1 no V2 because it's max, or V2 plus V1 divided by halfway between them. There we go. Maybe if we come back here and we say if music enabled what's play random song, that one. If music enabled, so if not sound object or is playing, then play. So that gives us music at the start, which is good. If we open this menu, it doesn't reset the song. That's good. There we go. Okay, now it's working. Now we just need to do that one. Notifications, I'm just gonna try here real quick. So I've got notifications disabled at the moment. So it's not giving me any notifications. I am collecting stuff. And then if I turn that back on... Was that off? And that was off. So there's weather. So now I need to get through that value there. So if I go back to settings now... value equals active value. Set up toggle button. Settings value. Value is that one. It should be... Fundada.value equals... That one. Is active. So if we find that, so if type of is active does not equal to nil, it's not equal to nil. Oh, type of does not equal to nil, then do that. Let me actually check that. Print type nil. I just do type. If type is active does not equal to nil, then do that. I'm just gonna copy and paste all that there. And just make things easier. Okay, that should be it for the toggle buttons. So if I open this menu, if I disable weather, should stay disabled. Which it isn't. Okay, let's have a look. Oh wait, no, that's got to be that one. I like that. Where's the slide delta? Why? Yep. And then if I come here, Set that to true. So what, that's false? True. Weather enabled. 45. Wait, no, I was right. That was the setting name. Weather. So that's true at the moment. That's false. Keeps going back to true. Weather is enabled. That's annoying. Like, that's... I guess that's because I haven't... No, that's starting to make sense now. Because what I need to do is... Yeah, because of the nature of how that works. Okay. So here what I've got to do is actually... set setting name. Local settings, change remote event equals modules remote service get remote settings remote event false, and we're just gonna fire server settings name settings value, and then on the server, do we have a settings one? We do not. So let me just make one. Settings service. I'm just going to paste that there. Get rid of all this. And we just want to do on client, or on server event. Connect function. Local player. Settings name, settings value. So if type of settings name is equal to string. Sweet, you subscribed. And type of settings value does not equal to nil, then. Oh. Is that one? Oh no, we'll see. Print local player settings name, settings value. We'll just try that. I think I'm running the wrong thing, that's why. That's supposed to be get local settings value. Set setting. That's not what I want. I want it to be that. I just want it to change to show if it's active or not. Set delta. That should be normal, yep. Okay. So now it's not going to keep setting it to false. I know it's still doing anyways. So I actually have to go and do it here. So local path equals string dot split settings name a dash for underscore string and ipairs path do. So actually we need local player data systems container data service get player profile. Which one is this? Get player profile. Get player profile, the local player. If not player data, then return local table equals player data dot settings dot data dot settings. So that's actually player profile. Table equals table string. If not table, then return if I is equal to the number of paths, then break. Table path number of path equals settings value. If type of so we actually need to change this now, so it should be weather enabled. Notifications enabled. Music enabled. Music volume. Like that. And then we can say if type of settings value is equal to the path or table path number of path, then we can set the value. Local actual set index. So let's just print type of that is equal to type of that. Oh, and toString value. And the number of toString value is smaller than 4. So we can't do some like really fucking huge numbers and crash our data. If I say weather false. No, okay. Why is it sending it back to 0? Bruh. Let's see. Oh, did I change this? That's why. So if I do local settings name equals that one, return table settings name, because I don't need this anymore, which is player data dot settings table name. Yep. Enabled no. Line 39 of achievements. Let's have a look. Studio doesn't crash. Okay, really? Oh my god, why? Oh, it's one of these days. There we go. Achievements, 39. Simple notification. Title description, icon, blah blah. Fixed. So enabled nil. I'm gonna actually print in addition the actual settings here. Wait. Weather enabled. Enabled. Oh. I did the wrong one again. There we go. And then what I want to do is actually, say when I click that button, actually I'll just do if type of is boolean. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. It's just, if not table settings name, then return. table that. Right, there we go. Well, actually, let me do one more check, which is, or that is equal to the value. So then if I go here, let's say whether false. Yeah, I need to fix that. Oh, if type of is equal to nil. Then shouldn't that just be direct clonal then? Hmm. See, that's matching there, I guess. Oh, so I need to make sure I add these in here. Right, let's try that. Um, so if I turn that off, it's off, but hmm. So if type of is nil or its the current value return. Oh wait, that's why. Allow trades. Enabled, disabled. So that should be true right now. Get local. Setting name is active. This is a pain. Oh. Enabled is false. Enabled is true. Back. It's still false. 158. Settings name value. $39. Allow trades, dash enabled. Allow trades, dash enabled. So that's false. Now if we go back, why is it still true? Binary setting service. Get setting. That one. So allow trades false. No, it's true. Now it's false. Now if I put that as true. Oh, okay, that worked. Well, that's good. So if that's 0.8. Yeah, so I guess I need to do the same thing here. So I need to do settings module. Or settings service. Get setting. The concat fucking bullshit. Where is it? That one. And then I guess I'll just do that on startup or something. Where else is that used? One. What if I just remove that altogether? Hey, there we go. That's working now. There we go. Okay, now it's working. Oh my god. I just want to make sure that I can do something like that. Is that gonna be supported? Sweet, that's supported. 16 of setting service. Set setting. That one and that one, or that one. Same for this one. So number of that is larger than 0, and that, or the setting name. Okay. Oh my god. So auto activate boosters false. Allowed trades false. So what I'm probably going to do is volume equals 0.1. Actually, I've got to do it like this too. Weather volume. Oh, Koa. Oh, no, yeah. That's because of audio privacy, the Roblox update, which is complete dog shit. There's certain sounds that, if they're not available for everyone, then you can't use them. There's not much I can do about that. So if I use any of my sounds, it will just not work. Now let's do if type of settings value is equal to number, then settings value equals settings value times 100 divided by 100. 2 decimals. Okay, now that's done. Save. Publish. When you go to the one, oh, that's inconvenient now that that's there. Yeah, maybe I'll just do function module set volume. Should I do that in the client side? Blah blah, and then I just do random volume equals max random volume times volume delta. And then I can go over to my settings, service, and do replicated core.replicated data. Get data. No, not get data. Lighting system. Set volume. Volume is module get setting weather dash volume or 1. And should I just do like all half? And should I just do none? Module updated. Wait, module updated. Connect. Function. Setting name, setting value. If setting name is equal to weather volume, then boom. And I think that should do it automatically, I believe. Weather volume half. Yeah. If type of setting volume, setting value is a number. And select to math.fmod setting value does not equal to 0. Then that equals math.floor to 100. That should get rid of the decimals, I hope. So basically, I check if there's decimal places. If there is, then I floor it after. That's... Oh, wait. Wait, no, I thought it was 2. What? Let me check. Math dot. I swear it's Fmod. What? X by Y. Oh. Is that 10 meant to be in there? Or 1? I think that's what it's meant to be. And let me just print math.fmod 10.0005 1. Yeah, there we go. Was it select 1? Oh, yeah, I guess that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. Mod divide by 1. Now let's try that, and I think that should floor it. Yeah, that's working, yeah. So top one is before, second one's after. Okay. Settings is done. I believe all of them are implemented now. Weather, music, notifications, yep. Sweet. That was a roller coaster, Jesus. Settings menu, done. Yeah, shop system. Let's do that. Let's do a inventory here, call it shop. Shop sample. Or should I do shop template? And then on the bottom, I think I'll have actually, I should be able to just grab this label here. Thanks. That was a super sketchy settings menu. I'm not gonna lie. I hate when I'm gonna do settings. It's so dumb. Well, that's not even aspect ratio, bro. Inventory. So shopkeeper name. You never heard me laugh before? There you go. I felt weird doing that. Laughing like that. Oh god. I need to go vertically. I think verticals would be better. Wait, no, it's still the... Oh, wait a second. 5. What the fuck? Oh, because it works a different way. Okay. No, go back. What if I put that up there? And then increase the coin label size here. And increase the Y size. Bruh. I mean, if you're in Hidden Devs, Developers, or Rodevs Discord, you'll usually see me in VC. And I laugh quite a bit in there, so... Coin labels. It's just because I'm concentrating so much. That's why. You get to really rarely hear me laugh. Is that a scrolling frame? I guess it's not. Let me change that to a scrolling frame. Where is my favorite converter tool? Reclass. Convert to a scrolling frame. And I'll just leave that on 0, 0 for the moment. Alright, so that's a top shop template. Let's get a shopkeeper going. After I create all the shops here. So if I do shop dialog, test shop open. Let's do two things. We need dialog and we need shop. So in dialog, let's do test quest dialog. So let's do what's this one for? Test shop open. Yes, no. That is yes, then that's no, and then that's cancel. Wait, no, that's the title. Open the shop menu. Leave. Cancel. UI underscore shop. Shop from ID, I guess. Well, I should do underscore shop widget 1. Because what's this one? This is quest. As I say, shop widget 1. And then in here, this is where we need to really do a lot. Let me get a quest, and we'll name this shops. ID is shop widget 1. Display is title is the shop widget. No, we don't want any of that actually. Get shop from ID, shop ID. Shop data. Let's do items. We'll do ID equals the item ID. So in this case, let's just have potions in here. Red potion. The buy price. Buy price is copper, silver, gold, platinum. Sell price is 1. Like 3, or yeah, I'll make it 3. And then that should be right actually. So that's red potion. Is there any other? I might just add like a knife to it then. Oh, actually I'll add the death bird to it. We'll do 1 gold. And then we'll also sell for 3 silver and 3 copper. Let me just make sure I got... Is it 8 per level? 8 silvers is 8 gold. Okay, so it's 8 per level. 6, 5. So you're losing out on 3 plus another 8. So 11 copper. No, sorry, not 11, 19 copper. Yeah. So I need the NPC name. I want it so... Well, let me do a interface here for the shop menus. Other systems. System container equals other systems. Local modules, not mouse. Require local player which are player scripts. Which are modules. This one's going to be assets. So not require wait for child assets. And then we want local shop frames. We want to do don't forget to change that one. For underscore shop data in iPairs replicated modules dot shops do or dot shops do function module setup shop data we're gonna do we need a oh no, that should be right. If oh actually we do need interface. Local interface equals local player wait for child player GUI wait for child interface so local frame if not interface find first child shop data dot id then so if found return and warn duplicate shop frames otherwise local template shop frame equals local assets dot UI dot shop template clone dot name equals shop data dot id dot parent equals the interface. And then what I want to do is go to our frame toggler, I believe. Yeah, frame toggler. We can just add it into the active frames. Is that... Maybe I'll just have it on top of everything. It'd be nice having the inventory to the side though. That's the other thing. I need to add dragging frames. That's definitely something I would do. Dot visible equals false. Table dot insert systems container dot frame toggle dot Active frames. This template shop. So if we open any other menu, it will close this shop menu. No, that's... No, I don't want that. Never mind. So in that case, we want... dot... So inside the template shop, we have our close button. We just want to do that. And then, oh, we need the coins labels to update too. Do we have a... I swear we did. Yeah, we did. Function module update coin labels. Parent. And then we can do systems container dot on screen labels, update coins label dot coin labels, and then down here we can also do replicated systems. I need to change that to all core. If category is that, then for frame and pairs. So now we need to change that to pairs for frame data. In pairs, shop frames do. Update that one there. Function module update coin labels. Let's move that function in there. Update coin labels. Update coin labels. Okay, and then we need to load all items. Function module load items into shop. Frame shop data. Template shop dot scroll for item data in pairs shop data dot items do print item data dot id. Now let's quickly do this dialog one. So let's jump to the dialog service again. Where's that one? Dialog. So if the first part is quest, else if split comma 1 is equal to shop, then is that what it is? Shop. Then systems container dot shop open shop split comma 2. Function module, open shop, shop ID. We want shop ID, iframe len, frame.visible equals true. So now we should actually have a interface. We should have a shop underscore shop widget 1. And we've got our red potion and death bow. And then if we click on this dialog here, if I click yes, it opens up the shop. Text, 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 text. Actually, make sure title and text are in the right spots. There we go. And say leave instead of cancel. Alright, that should hopefully fix all the text also. So dialog text actually doesn't look like it's working. What's this dialog text here? Title. In dialog. Template. Dialog choice. Title number. Okay, Oh, actually, let me flip that around to template shop. I need to have a look at the dialog system again. Set properties of that. Let me see if that works. So if I click on new, title, text, yes, no. Oh. Yeah, that's not what I wanted. I wanted, I want yes, no. Not yes, no, but a multi-option. So I click on new now. There we go. Open the dummy shop. Quest dialogue. That's not actually being set, so I don't know what's up with that. Dialogue texts. Is that? Oh, that's supposed to be the NPC name, isn't it? Let me do. Let me open up the dialogue UI again. Yeah, see, that's the problem. That's supposed to be title. And that's supposed to be NPC name. So let me run back here and do... Unload dialogue. So that means I want to run to the NPCs and do... Set NPC name to the model.name. Oops. Shop NPC. So if I just rename them now, and then I can do set NPC name, function module, set NPC name, local NPC name equals unknown. Here's NPC name. And then dialog frame dot info dot NPC name dot text equals NPC name. Is that the correct one? Oh, here, okay. So unknown, unknown. That's fine. Set NPC name. New name. NPC name. Active NPC name. Okay, so if I click on that, shop NPC, test dialogue, and quest NPC. And then we just run back to dialogue and change this to a multi-option here also. If you want to see fate, you chose the correct one. You are safe. There we go. Right, so if I run over here now, choose on to see your fate. Hooray, you survived. No, better run or I spank you. The spank. Choose one you must, get a new quest, which is Dummy Destroyer. Open the shop, and there we go. And then we just need to change that shopkeeper name there. So here we'll do function module set shop name. Shop name. Oh, how could I do this? Res, it's not pre-recorded, no. Oh, res. Bruh. I'm mega noob for thinking that. Actually, do I have it in here? Let's do, display equals. No, I'm gonna call you res now. You're just a pre-recording of a bot, noob. Let's do UI template shop. What's this label in here called? Title label. Title label equals text equals shop widget 1. Is text color. Okay, text color 3 equals color 3 dot new 111. Actually, I just need that title so it's better. Title. And then all I have to do is when we open the shop, I do system, no, local modules, GUI utility, set properties. If we have a look at that utility again, set properties, parent, properties table. So the parent, which is going to be the frame, the properties table, which will be the that dot display. So now, if I put that back. Right, open up the shop. Shop widget 1. There we go. Alright, I'm just gonna quickly kill some mobs. So if I just grab. Actually, do I make that weather? I didn't even actually add that thing there. Let me get the wooden sword. There we go. And then if I open up my shop menu again, it should be updated. Perfect. Alright, now that's done, we need to do the load items into shop. I'm going to take a piss first. So we need that one, and we need these shops. We can actually probably reuse some of the inventory functions too. So if I jump to core interface inventory, I can get the set up inventory frame. I don't know if I'll copy and paste that, but we'll see. But yes, I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. Let's see. So we're doing shop items. So we need to create shop items for each of them, which is each of these. So we need a template button first of all. So let's get one. So if I just bring the under assets, our template shop. If we put that inside interface here, we can get a template inventory button, so we can edit that button. Like that. We're going to change that quantity there. We're gonna get rid of that. So that's gonna be the item name. Viewport icon. And I want the coins label thingamajiggy. I'm gonna copy that inside it. Like that. And then we can put that there. And then basically whatever we don't use, we'll just hide it. And we just stick it on top like that. So what we'll do is template shop item. Oh, actually, we should probably keep that. Oh, we can do like shop item. We can do something like that. Actually, look better below it, I'm not gonna lie. So if I do that, put that inside there. Bring that one out and do 10.10. 0.9 up there. So that's coin labels and that's the shop frame or item frame. Now obviously that's not square, so what I've got to do is add another aspect ratio and scale to size. Change it to like 0.7 and put it in the middle of that. Like that. And then I can actually move this above and put on the 0. We can scale that up. Like that. And we just start duplicating that. It perfectly fits like that, so. Set clipping descendants true, and we can check that out. Alright, so this is template shop item. That's template shop. Now let's jump to our script. Local template shop item equals local assets dot UI dot template shop item clone dot name equals item data dot ID dot parent equals the frame dot scroll dot is it scroll? Yeah, dot scroll. Around the main item maybe. Let me have a look. Blink. Around the main item. Well, there is a border around the actual item, and then there's little icons down here for how much they cost. Including the coin bar. Okay, that's what I thought you meant, yeah. Well, let's see what it would look like. I have to resize that one now. Can I have snapping turned off? It's really annoying. Oh my god. Oh, there we go. That's where it looks being funky. You think that's much better? Kind of looks weird in my opinion. I mean, if I made it like something like that. Something like that maybe? It does mean, however, I've got to increase the size so we can read it. There we go. Yeah, and then let's say... no gold, no platinum. I guess I might need to actually just set that to half. Did that even do anything? Gold, platinum, gold, platinum. Did it even do anything? I guess I'll just take it to the border. Like that. Because then platinum, gold, they go invisible and that fits there. Gold, platinum. Yeah, maybe just have that and clip descendants on them. Yeah, that's actually a better idea. Yeah, let me do that. And then, inventory. Was that money label function? Yeah. Oh wait, I didn't even think about that. We need sell mode and we need buy mode. Just realized. So that should be buy scroll. Here we have on the left side. And then we can have buttons for let me put in the bottom corner here. Center it on the right. Oh, that's so... Can I not have it lock onto every single freaking UI? There's no option for it either, and it's annoying. Imagine a slice of life of that. Oh my god. Buy mode flip. Mode flip. That's a better name for it. So that will be buy shop item, which is gonna be shop frame. And that one will be coin labels. Like that. So let's update all the coin values there. Local sell frames, buy frames. So tail.insert, sell frames, the sell one. And then buy frames, the buy one. Function module update. I would set coin label. Set shop item coin label. Frame shop data. Shop data. So currency data, so that's sell price. So buy and sell. And then we'll just say dot visible false. Dot visible equals true. So buy is visible by default. And then we'll say local mode, local buy mode equals true. We'll do set up shop. Template shop dot mode flip. I'm gonna have to actually get local modules dot GUI utility create action button parent equals template shop frame dot mode flip. So let me convert that to a label. And then we'll do activated connect function. We'll do buy mode equals not buy mode. For I buy frame, for I frame, knife is buy frames to frame dot visible equals buy mode. And then we'll say sell frames not buy mode. And then dot text equals buy mode. And what's the current text? Buy mode or sell mode. Dot text color 3. Buy mode. Color 3 dot new 111 or color 3 dot new faint red. Okay, that should do it. Now if I put that in there, that over there. No, actually there was one more thing I did need to check, which was if item data dot by price, then if item data dot sell price. So I can say you can buy, but you can't sell. Pull that as an example. Or like that as an example. So let's have a look. Scroll is not available member. $98 of template shop frame dot scroll. It's a combined scroll now, so that doesn't matter. $9.50. So that is the shop scroll frame. Table expected got nil, line 30. Buy price and sell price. Oh, what? Line 51. Shop. Oh, item data. Dot buy price dot sell price. that, and then when we do open up, 3 there, 1 there. Sweet. And then what we can also do is label name local currency start equals currency initial local image label find first child. What is that one? That's supposed to be icon. Icon label. There we go. So if we try now open up the shop. Okay, so it's still doing it. Let me check it again. Copper, silver, gold, platinum. It is a capital I, correct? Yes. Oh. Stupid me. There we go. So now if we have a look again. 3 copper, 1 gold, and then we can just set up the frame there. So now if we come back down here, what I can do is I can actually set that after there. And I'm going to say set properties is what I wanted. Oh no, yeah, there. I want to set the buy shop properties to the item config properties. So that would be equals replicated modules dot items get item config item data dot id, if not item config, then continue. To each of them. So let's set that up, and then we also need to do that. Let's have quantity. Actually, yeah, we're doing quantities. Quantity. Function module load load item display. frame. So load display, the buy shop frame. And then that's the sell shop frame, which does all of that. Local asset service. Is verified modules dot asset service. And I believe that should be everything apart from the name label. Which, if I go to shops, I want it to do all of that, and then also frame dot. So that template shop item frame dot. Oh, actually, this could be dot item frame. Frame dot item frame dot title equals item config display title text dot 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 item config dot quantity. Oh, shop config dot quantity. Like that. Title text. Title is not a mirror of item frame. Line 49. Oh, dot text. There we go. So what I can actually do is, if quantity is larger than 1, then do that. Times quantity. Red potion. Yep, wig red potion times 3, death bow times 1. And then what we also want to do is, I need both of these again. Side here, so template shop item goes inside the scroll. I need to make sure this label isn't as big as that. So I need to shrink it a little bit. Like that. And then I can put them back. And then what I can say is, action button inside there. dot activated connect function. Let me actually put this. Let me put this buy mode up here. If buy mode, then if not buy mode, then try sell item the item data.id. Try buy item that ID. No, I realize that's not gonna work. No. We just need to make it a buy shop only, and then I can have a separate menu for selling items. Because that's not gonna... Yeah, that's not gonna be able to work. Because of unique identifiers and all that. Well, actually, no, I could do it off that. And just take 3 out if they're good enough. I'll keep it there in case, but might want to change it later. There we go. And then I can sell that. No, I was just kind of quickly putting it together. It would be better if we made like a sell system and all that. So I can buy and I can sell. Yeah. So what we need is a couple of things. Buy mechanic, sell mechanic, tooltip. Tooltip shows how many you have. How many you can buy. Buy, sell, tooltip, so hovering tooltip. Maybe have a separate one. It could work. But yeah, I think that's gonna do for this stream. Pretty short. What was that, 3 hours? The video did cut out midway through, so that's why not everything was there in this stream. Yeah. Couple bugs there I gotta fix. So shop system we'll do again next week, and then we can probably do mini map. So shop system, buy, sell, mini map. Yeah. Analytics, redo UI. What else could we do in the cleanup? Actually, I'll probably make it so... I reckon once we get past this basic progression, I'm going to make it closed source and you can get it through my Patreon. I think that's the best thing I can do right now. So that means I'll have a separate place for this, including the minimap and the rest of the shop buy and whatever progression. Then after I start cleaning up all the systems and all that, I'll have it Patreon only. I think that's probably what I want to do. Because I did actually hire some builders and all that. And I'm going to be hiring UI artists and all that too. Yeah. Like, I still got to get the builder. Shot system, minimap. Oh, what do we do? We did... bugs. Definitely. We did start shop menu. Shop UI. What else did we do? We did, I forgot what else we did. Oh, settings menu. Settings menu, fixes, plus implementation. Yeah, settings are fixed achievements. Fixed achievements bug. Oh, what else? Oh, I did more with the dialogue system. Added shop opening. Plus the label fixes. Yeah, I don't know if there was anything else apart from that. Oh, did we implement weather? Yeah, we did that today. Weather system. Oh, that's just basic version. Yeah, I think that'd be it for all of them. Let me just spread some guys around. There we go. Let me just put them in like terrain. Or to do. I'll worry about that later. Yeah. I could actually make it so there's progression right now. Believe it or not. Just give yourself only a wooden sword and you can buy the rest through the shop. But that's for the progression stuff. Let me shut that there. Alright. I shall find somebody for that. Land, so weather, vegetation. Donkey Quest at the start. Crossbow, oh yeah, I need to get that. Oh, that's not... Nah. I've done weapons. When did you have magic plant? Oh, not till later. I have been thinking about it, but I don't plan on implementing till later. And that's definitely going to be after Patreon. Closed source. Or open source, but behind Patreon. Because that magic system is going to be quite advanced, yeah. Look at all of these, holy. Let me actually get some of them in here. Attributes is not done. Any health bar rank. I could put that as done. Shift sprint, yes. Region system, not yet. Gamepad hotbar support, yes. Basic weapons, yes. Logging, yes. Notification, yes. Actually, I'll put notification back. Interact collectible system, yes. See, most of these we're still going to go back over. Quests, yes. Game monetization. We did implement that, didn't we? It was like game passes or something. Bow changes, visuals, what's visuals? Yes, except for weather. Weather we need to update. Oh, I'll take that for now. Visuals, yes. Wait, no. I need to do it region based. That's what we need to do next. Also, weather. So let me actually do region-based weather. Scripting. So that needs to go in here. Where is it? Visuals. That one. So apart from that, all of them are correct. The visuals in there. Seasons was another one. Let me add that in here. Region-based weather. Also, add some different seasons. Different. Snow, hail. Alright, there we go. And we will chuck that in here. So during this here, I'm going to add all of them. You see there's magic there. I do want to add save selection sooner than later. Where's the line there? Oh, let me bring that up here. So that can be up there. That can go there. No, I want to do that before I do the enemy system. Then chests that give loot. I can do that up there. Crafting. Crafting I'll do up there. Okay. Trading menu there. Mount carriage there. Later. Ooh, actually no, I might move that one up. Because then you can do save selection and race selection and all that. Dungeons, raids, parties. These two are really easy to do, so I'm going to move them up. I'll keep PvP later. Trading, same game only. Yes, move that up. Trading menu. Oh, that's already one. Delete. There is a few things I want to add, which is tinker, construct weapons. Mod. Tinkers. Constructs. That's scripting. Let me check my. What's the thing I had? Yeah, so I had a book of ideas and shit, and I'm just gonna check what else I can add. Farming. That's scripting. Building. Monstrology. Information about monsters. We have defeated. More information, the more you know them. Scripting. Did you ever mention a plot placement system? Can't remember. I was thinking of a placement system, but I wasn't totally sure. But now that I do have this private housing thing. So private housing. I can put like a placement system, farm system, pet. Oh, I would say, yeah, pets. Why not? Pets, stuff like that in there. And then obviously we've got fishing. Black market system. So I'm gonna put that under the auction house, maybe. Well, that's shop widgets. Flea market. Plus NPCs. Yeah, so auction house. I guess I'll make a black market also. Yeah. So fishing systems, I can take that out of here now. Delete. Equipment dual socking, I do want that. Send to... I change that here. Ideas to programming. Enchanting, I do want. Custom character animations. I could do that, yeah. So plug into manage game, game lore storylines, definitely need to do that. What else was in here? We can delete that one. This, yeah. What else is there in this book? Highest attributes, combat, magic. Oh, equipment fusing. So we have enchant / fusing / jewel socketing. Delete. Oh, titles. Player titles. Yeah, black and market is pretty much illegal shit you just saw in there. It's like, I could make it so if you kill elves, get their ears. That's a black market item because it's rare and it's illegal sort of stuff. Let's also do buffs and debuffs. Or would there be debuffs system? Oh, come on. Let me just check what I've got. Yep. I do want skill trees. Where's that skills one? Skill tree. Enemies. Oh, that's a redo of the enemy system. That's fine. You have different jobs planning, like Blade, Magician. I could do that. I was just gonna make it so you could be pretty much anything you want. But there would be like attribute requirements to equip certain things. So, items requiring attribute points / level or equip requirements. Something like that. I do have crafting here. That's what's at top here. Crafting. I could do job specific ones though. Yeah. Let's see. can't see anything else. Yeah. Oh, here we go. What's this one? That's AI. No, that's other shit. That's magic like that. Let me find my other book. Yeah, this one's the old one. This one has so much in it. Alright, let's see. So that's the farming one. And this is all the shit. Alright, let's see. Shall we? Oh, there's different ideas here for zones. Enemy attributes or elemental attributes. Oh, actually, I do want to implement a mana system too for the magic. Let me move that one up to where magic is. Scaling of enemies. Enemy scales versing when verse target. No one's gonna. I'll do dungeon mobs / bosses scale with party. Attribute leveling. So I believe I had armor sets already here. Let me check. Combat. Combat system. Combat equipment system. So Genshin Impact. References. I also want all armor set bonuses. Actually, I won't do that. I'll do... So there's that. So, bonuses for... I won't do that actually, no. I want full armor set bonuses. Where is that? Ah, here it is. Full armor set bonuses. Maybe a reputation system. Rarity. What's in the economy? Oh, that's whatever. Farmable magic. Interesting. Magic sense. Oh, that is something I do want actually. magic sense. Able to perceive some level of someone else's magic capacity. Threshold. Able to, what's it? Adjust. Bounty system. Yeah, bounty reputation system. That'd be cool for finding disarming traps. Oh, I could do that actually, yeah. Let's do traps. Consumables in dungeons. Yeah, magic sense, yeah. What else do we have? Magic fusion. Combine magic to unlock more. Maybe like a magic learning system. Able to combine magic. Or learn magic from some means. Of course, having requirements. Building. I think that'd be pretty cool to have. Oh, actually, I do want to have like guilds and factions. And then that can tie into your so there would be hierarchical control system, separate place that loads as unloads the customized guild faction buildings. Hey, syntax. Also with the Tinker's construct weapons, there'll be leveling mechanic, familiarity, guild fight arena. Yeah, that's down here. So guilds and factions, and there's also PvP duels tournaments. So we've got progressive questing already. I do want boss health bars at the top of the screen. Boss specific health bar on the top of the screen. Let me move that right to the top. World boss, that's a good one too. World bosses. That's actually on my list also. Wait, what was that? Elemental attribute. So you got bonus damage, bonuses, resistance, buffs, and debuffs. Something like that. I was thinking of this, I wasn't sure though, but PvP in wilderness? Or is it? Scripting. Heal bonuses as well. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Actually, under that world boss, was that world boss one? World bosses. I'm gonna actually put server events. I'm gonna have world bosses, sales, shop sales, special quests, that sort of stuff. What else is there? Boss health bars, wildlife. I could do maybe something like that. Nah, that'd be too much. Potion brewing. That'd be a cool concept. Scripting. Mounts. Backpack. Nah. Fortnite building. Combos. Oh, ruins. That'd be a good one. I'll keep that off for this. Runes, charms, artifacts. Actually, that's a pretty cool one. Runes, charms, artifacts. Egg prevents death only once. Something like that. Yeah. See, I want to have it so you can be a hybrid of stuff too, without having a class specific like magic tank sort of thing. So you can have high mana capacity while also tanking. But you'll have like less combat moves, more tank and support. And then that way I can make mobs extremely hard. And then that way you have to have like really good builds to even fight against them. So like the tank has only support magic abilities while also only tanking. It's like, yeah. Magician attack with magic skills. Yeah, exactly, yeah. Skill tree based is better than class specific. Yeah, skill tree, yeah. I think that's actually what I've got. Skill tree. Did I put that here? I don't think I did. Well, that'd be magic learning. Skill tree / extra. Yeah, or this other sort of system here. Let me delete that one. Delete. Let me chop this in here. Horse system, that is the mount and carriage system. Yeah. Yeah. I think that's all I got on my list, though. Oh, there's my Japanese. Oh. Yeah, but I think that's everything I can actually put in there. I'm gonna have to move some of these to ideas or something now. Or a backlog. Backlog. Cancel that. Oh, once I set up the other thing, it will. Which is, take a bit anyways. So let me move a lot of these over now to the backlog. And load 20 more. Fuck. Oh my god, is that gonna do it every time? Is there a different menu I can do this in? Please. Yeah. Sweet. Yeah, I'm just gonna start moving these. Rail tracks? Probably not, because there's gonna be a mount system for it. I don't want, like, trains or anything. Guilds and factions, PvP and wilderness, traps to the backlog. I keep that one there, that one can go backlog. That one can go backlog. Debuff buffs. That one can stay, that one can stay, that one's gonna go backlog. That one goes backlog. 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 Player profile. That stays. That can go backlog. Backlog. PvP doors, keep that one. Black market. Backlog. We need more items. I go backlog for that one. Backlog for that one. Town NPCs, backlog for that one. That one goes backlog. Mount and carriage system. I might keep that there. Magic sense. That can go backlog. Oh, their skills there. Trading. Might do dungeons and raids later. That can go backlog. Intro GUI. I keep now. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, that cut down the list a lot. So actually let's do that one, that one, that one. That one goes on top. On there. Trading. Party system, combats. Do I have 2 skills now? No, I don't. There we go, that's the order for now. What's this one? No, that needs to go up. So that's actually during beta. I want the alpha. So that alpha test phase should be here. There we go. Can I send that to backlog? Yes, I can. I won't though. Yeah, no. 127 though. No, dude, it's a fantasy. We're not doing plane crashes or anything like that. This is organized hack and plan. Usable every so often. Alright, there we go. That'll do it for this stream. As you can see, we've got quite a bit now. And, I guess at this point... Where shall we do it? I want to do it right here. So, lock open source behind Patreon. Have a version available for free. Lock. Group. Yeah, like that. So pretty much once we get these ones and anything else we add again, once this hits the alpha test phase, I'm gonna lock the game behind the Patreon. So the open source. That still means you get to watch me do it, so you can still copy the code and all that, but you won't be able to just download it straight off. Yeah, that's all good. I think we've got plenty now. There's shitloads in the backlog. I'm gonna actually swap that to programming. Let's plug in to manage it. Storyline, game ideas. Yeah, okay. Need to leave that one. Let me move that one to programming. I'll just put that there for the moment, I guess. I need to put that somewhere. I might actually want to create another category. Boards main. Let me chop that in the lore story section. Wait, did I add a dash in the backlog? No, I didn't. Okay. My last idea is just mushrooms in the floor to eat for health. Well, there'll be collectibles around, like the plants and everything, so. Hey, I'm new here. Can you tell me a bit of the lore of the game? Because for what I see on your other section, it looks really cool. So right now, we're just sort of like getting the base of an RPG game. The game store looks... What am I saying? The storyline and all that I need to come up with still. Right now, though, for the beginning, it's just pretty much you are being introduced to the game in a small, like, town area. And then... I've got to get the town constructed, which is here. So that might expand out further, but right now it's just that big. And then you're tasked with, like, I don't know, getting some bandits or get some wolves or something. I'll see what I can source up, but yeah. And then there'll be, like, collection quests out here. Here's the mushrooms too, by the way. You can make them collectibles. Or the mobs can drop them even. But yeah. So far, we've got, like, most of the systems down. I was going to say basic, but a lot of them aren't that basic. And then there's, like, a backlog here now for extra things we can add. We've got building. That's our to-do list. And, yeah. Oh, that's what we're currently doing. That's what's testing. We'll change that later, though. Oh, settings menu actually is done now. But yeah. But at the moment we're just trying to do them, and yeah. Bird changes, what are these? Oh, yep, done that. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the stream so far. I'll work on it again next weekend or during the week if I do feel like that. And yeah, see you around. Oh, actually, quick question. Do you guys want me to work on this off stream but record it? So that way I can just upload it to YouTube and it's me working on the game like 5 hours or something like that? Or do you prefer me just keep streaming it? Yeah, I just want to make sure about that. I know that I can do like building and all that off stream, but I do want to do some scripting and all that on stream. Yeah, okay, sweet. Breath off stream, yeah. Sweet. I'll have to make sure I include where I get everything. Last thing while I'm at it, let me clean up the quests. Modules. Because I remember seeing this full of Lure You, and that was not needed. But yeah, there we go. Yeah. Well, you can still interact, it's just, I do want to work on the game off stream too. That's all. Oh boy, there's a lot still. That's a table, that's a table. Number, question mark. Let me just clear all this shit. Yeah. Alright, there we go. Just really want to clear a lot of this out. What else is there? Boolean. Any with a question mark? Any? Well, I thought we already got rid of booleans. There we go. So much leaded everywhere. Holy. Boo boo boo. But yeah, just clear out all this other shit. Wait, did I just do this one? No. Oh my god, there is so much more. Fuck, I'm gonna have to... No, there we go. Like I didn't do all of that. Ox tree, cutscene, that doesn't matter. Okay, so there's 3 spots where scripts are. Server storage, starter player scripts, so like the core and modules, core and modules, core and modules. Then the modules is broken up to 4 sections: classes, definitions, services, and utility. The core is just straight modules. And generally, like, you'd have utility and the util. So utility functions, services, whatever that may be. Definitions is like the configs. Classes are classes. So that's kind of how I remember it. What was that? Posty, projectile handler. Yep, here's another example. Don't need it there. Boolean. Yeah. Oh, what about number? I knew it. There was gonna be a bunch everywhere. Let me just make sure it works. Yep, sweet. Dummy destroyer. Let's see if the quest progressed, and that is a no. Enemy A. Let's write that in the fix. Alright, there we go. Alright, that's it for the next stream. Or till the next stream. Publishing now. If any of you do want a copy of it. But that's up to you. Yeet.